Here we are. It's year 3 of farming. Nothing was working, but what they built that winter helped turn into $200,000 in revenue on just 1.5 acres. Today, Footprint Farm runs like clockwork. The difference, a planning system that was born from desperation.
I was feeling like I didn't have any control over anything. It just felt like I would throw stuff at the wall and maybe it would stick. And I was just being battered about by all sorts of external pressures.
It started with an unexpected source.
So I started getting really into books about habit forming, about brain psychology. I was trying to start an exercise habit because I thought maybe if I exercised regularly, I would feel better. And I was so fascinated by how our brains form habits that I really nerded out on it and started talking to people about it. And it got to the point where I thought, I think this would work really well in farming.
The catalyst was a loan application for their wash pack facility.
Third or fourth season, we were writing a business plan so that we could get a loan in order to build our wash pack facility. And as we were trying to write this business plan, we came up with a step by step business analysis. My husband and I work really well with lists and how to's and things like that. And so we made a way for us to look at what we had been doing, to set priorities and to plan. And the process worked so darn that we've been doing it each winter, and sharing that planning and review process was the first part of habit farming.
What emerged became their annual ritual. Every December, they face the truth. Carrots were eating labor and making pennies. That meant they had to go. Some discoveries were personal. The solution wasn't working harder. It was building the wash pack facility and creating systems. Step 2. Let data drive decisions. Every crop gets its own profit and loss analysis. This is how they discovered their most profitable crop wasn't tomatoes, it was actually high tunnel cucumbers. Step 4. Create repeatable systems.
Having that unified movement has been the biggest piece of overall productivity for us.
Every month starts with alignment.
So we do a whole lot of planning. We have that big planning session in the wintertime, and we break it out by month. We have monthly goals that we share with our crew. So the beginning of the month, we have a longer morning meeting where we all get on the same page and goals are written on the wall. And we really try to have buy-in from everybody who's working here so that we're all headed in the same direction.
This isn't unique to Footprint Farm. Successful market farmers from Vermont to Virginia use winter planning to build profitable operations. The difference is turning it into a habit, not a one-time event. The transformation took time, but the results are undeniable.
Our employees have come back every year since they've started to create a place where I know there's a lot of turnover in agricultural employees, and to create a place that they enjoy coming to, even though I know it's hard work. I'm really proud of that.
You don't need fancy software to start. 3 years of throwing things at the wall, then a system born from brain science. Now over $200,000 in revenue from 1.5 acres. Pretty good.
It's okay how you're feeling. It's hard. It's really hard. And in the beginning, you're going to see farms on Instagram or at a conference, and you're going to think, how are they doing it? And why am I not? And you're not supposed to be in the beginning. It's not going to happen overnight.
Not because they got lucky, because they got systematic. Thanks for watching this video featuring farmer Taylor Mendell of the amazing Footprint Farm in Vermont. Be sure to check them out on Instagram using the link below. You can also listen to the full-length interview that I did with Taylor using the link below as well. And leave me a comment. Let me know, how do you like these types of videos? I would love to hear it. I'll see you next time. Keep watching. But until then, be nice, be thankful, and do the work.